All right, guys, what is going on? In this video, I'm gonna cover the single leg glute bridge, just how to do it, and also corrections and mistakes if you do end up making them. Okay, so you're gonna lay on the ground. All right, so right now you want your core to be nice and braced. So if I'm gonna punch you, that's how you want to be. So no soft core, right? Make sure a nice braced core. From there, single leg, right? So what you want to do is keep this foot flat on the ground. So no up on your toes. Keep this foot flat on the ground. Don't overextend this leg up, okay? If you want to, you can have a little bend, but a little bit harder is keep your legs straight. Bend is a little bit easier. So if you want to go a little bit harder, what you want to do is think about pushing this heel into the ground as hard as you can, okay? So push this heel into the ground. You're going to lift your butt up, squeezing this side of your butt. Both sides of your butt should be squeezed, but you're really working this side of the leg that's down. Work that side of your butt, okay? One big thing is don't overextend your back when you come up. Make sure you keep a nice neutral spine, a nice braced core. That's what I talked about in the beginning. Make sure you keep that core braced while you do it, okay? So nice core tight. Push your hips up. Hold this for a couple seconds. Make sure you feel, okay? Make sure you feel that side of your butt. If you're too far out wide, you're just gonna feel your hamstring, which is not a bad thing, but we're trying to work our glutes here a little bit. So get your foot a little bit closer to you. Lift those hips up, squeeze your butt. Make sure one side of your hip is not sagging, okay? So you're trying to keep your hips at a level position. You can put your fingers on both sides of your hip bones and just kind of make sure they're level, they're even, right? So again, one big thing too, make sure you just hold it there. Like I said, hold it there for a second or two. Make sure you're feeling that side of your butt, especially if you're doing this as a kind of like a warm-up activation. You want the right muscles working. So make sure you feel that side of your butt when you do it. All right, guys? So biggest thing, feel your butt, keep your core tight, extend through your hips. Don't overextend your back. Maintain that core bracing as you go up and down, all right? Guys, I hope that helped. If you have a question, have a concern, leave it in the comments or reach out to me, DM me, put it in the Facebook group, whatever to do. Be more than happy to help you, all right? Thanks, guys.